Welcome back, my beautiful fashion lovers. Thank you for always tuning into my videos. So today we are going to sew this beautiful style on the thumbnail and on the screen here. Okay, yes, it's a beautiful style. So we are starting by with this beautiful fabric. We are going to use this beautiful fabric. Let's go into the sewing, cutting and sewing. So firstly, fold your fabric in bias form this way, as if you want to cut a 360-degree flare. Just this way, fold into two, then fold it to this triangle shape, as if you want to cut circle. Yes, that's how you're going to fold it. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you measure your round chest. That round chest divided by 4, that's the first measurement you're going to place here. Okay, so I've measured mine and I've divided it by 4, and I'm placing it on the fabric. Okay, so you're going to place it this way, then trace out the exact measurement and start marking it round. You start marking it round this way. So I'm trying to get the accurate measurement of that my chest. Okay, then once I'm done with that, I will start measuring it round this way. Just this way I'm doing it. Okay, just watch the video carefully. It's just a simple tutorial. Okay, so you keep measuring out the inches you got from your round chest measurements. You keep measuring it this way till you get to the end side. So we are done doing that. We'll go ahead to measure the full length of our top. So what I'm working with might not be what you would like to work with, so just go with the particular measurement you wish to work with. For me here, I'm working with 20. I'm going to make it 21 with folding and all that. Okay, so just watch the way I'm marking and taking the measurements. It's a simple explanatory video, so there's no stress in it. Just watch it carefully. So I'm done taking out the full length of the top. Yeah, I'm done with it. Now I will go ahead to mark out. You know the up is up, right? Yeah, so you're going to go up by 2 inches from this folded side. You're going to go up by 2 inches. Yeah, 2 inches. That's what we're going to go up by. Then you connect it curvely like this. You're going to use your curve ruler. If you are good with hand tracing, you can make use of your hand. So this will serve as the neck and also as the arm hole. Okay, this for the front side. This same measurement, you're not going to use it at the back hole measurement. No, this is only for the front side. For the back, you're going to maintain that same chest round measurement you took. Okay, then let's go to the downside. For the downside, you're going to go up by 2 inches, same 2 inches. For this folded side, you're going to go up by 2 inches. Okay, then use your ruler to trace it out curvely this way. All right, yeah. So for the video, you know that the upside is high. It's kind of high low top. That's just the style. Okay, the upside is high, so for that highness, you're going to eliminate 2 inches from the upside. Then you go ahead to do the cutting, then split and separate the front and the back. This will help you to cut perfectly what you measured. Okay, so I've splitted it. For the back side, I'm going to maintain that chest round measurement, while for the front side is going to be slanted this way. Okay, to give me the armhole for the front side and for the back. So I'm going to cut out the front side separate this way. Then I will cut out the back side separate this way. Okay, yeah, this is the back side. Good. So I'm just cross-checking the chest measurements that I placed down if it's correct to what I have, and yeah, we are good to go. Okay, so let's cut out the downside. The slanted side I removed earlier, the 2 inches I went up earlier. Let's cut it out. So once you're done doing that, you give it a notch. This notch will help you to fix in the bias that you use to tape the front side. You know, we are not using lining for this, so the bias you're going to use, this notching will help you place it well, right? Yeah. Then for the back side too, we'll still take this measurement again. This is where your strap is going to, where you're going to place your strap. Okay, and I'm going in by 4 inches. I'm going in by 4 inches. This 4 inches is where my strap will be placed on. This is where my strap will be placed on. After measuring, I will also give it a notch to guide me while placing the strap. Okay, yeah. So let's go into the main div. This is where the real work is going to happen. Okay, firstly, get a 1.5 inches strap, or an inches, or just 1 inch strap this way. Get it just in a form of bias. Okay, you're going to use it as a bias to tape in that upside. That's what you're going to do, to tape in that upside. Can you see the notching that we made earlier? It's still there. So what we're going to do now is to get the strap that will cut, the 1.5 inch strap, fold it this way just to get a bias shape. That's what we are trying to do here. Can you see? Just a bias shape. Use your iron and go through it. There's no light this moment. At the moment I was making this video, there was no light, so I need to make the video. Yeah, so after that, you're going to use it to fold the front from the armpit. That is the armhole side. You're going to start from the armhole side. That's right. Then fold it till you get to the first notching that we made. Yes, you're going to force it, take it to that place. Then you stop at the notching for the left side. Yes, that's where you're going to stop. Okay, take it from the armhole side, come to the front side. Then for the other side, for the left side, take it from the armhole side, then come to the other side too. So you're going to crisscross it. Okay, yes, it's going to be crisscross, and the notching will help us to do that. So if you did not give the notching, it will be hard for you to crisscross in that middle side. So that notching will help us. Let's go to the machine and sew what we've traced out. Okay, yeah, so I will bring it back to show you what happened there. Yeah, so we are done. I'm done using the bias to tape it in. Can you see? After taping it, is keep sewing it, because that will serve as a strap, as a sleeve too. So for the left side too, same thing. For the right side too, same thing. And it forms a kind of crisscrossing at the front side. You see, one will go to the left side, one will go to the right side. You see, like kissy crossing, like it kiss cross each other. Can you see what happened there? Yeah, that's just a simple something. If you carefully watch the video, you understand what I did. Okay, it's just a simple something. Then you get the back side. This is the back now. That initial notch, that 4 inches notch that we made earlier, I will still measure it again for us to be clear with what I'm doing here. So get your tape. This is the 4 inch, and I gave it a notch there initially. So this is the notch. Now let's move ahead. So place it this way rather, front side meeting front side. Okay, yeah, that's how you're going to face it. Then you take that your first strap, that front strap that you left after taping in, you measure 16 inches. This 16 inches is not for all sizes. This for me, I'm size 14. So if you're more than this my size, you can increase it. If you're lesser, you can decrease it. Okay, then after measuring the 16 inches, you place it on that notching for the fourth side, for the other side. You get right? You place it on that other notching. Use your pin to secure it. So let's still go ahead. Okay, don't cut out the remaining strap yet. Yeah, so for the other side, also measure the 16 inches that we measured for the other one. Also measure it for the other side too. Once you get the 16 inches, you place it at the second notching. Can you see what I'm doing? You place it at the second notching. Yeah, I don't have this bra adjuster. That would have been better, but with this we are still good to go. Okay, yeah, you place it there, you place it carefully. This is what we have. Can you see? Our style is gradually coming into place. Yeah, so this is what we have here. This is what we have. Then another strap again, 1.5 inch or an inch strap. You are going to use it to fold in the back side. You're going to use it to fold in the back side, just in form of using bias to tape in something. Yeah, that's typically what you're doing here. This tutorial is beginners friendly. It's very, very simple and easy. Yeah, use it to fold it in this way. Use it to fold it in this way. Yeah, so we are done folding it. This is what we have. We are done folding it. Can you see? We tape it in. Then also use our machine to secure the strap that we placed initially with pin. Yeah, we secure it with a stitch. Then we cut out this remaining strap. You cut out the remaining strap. That is it. Now go ahead to tape in the side. Tape in the side this way. Just use your machine and run on it. And after that, you aim the downside. You can fold it with 1/2 inch. Yeah, just fold it with 1/2 inch round. Let's go and do it and bring it back. Yeah, we've done it, and this is the final look of our beautiful top. This is the final look of our beautiful top. Yes, this is the final look. It's very simple and easy tutorial. It's very very simple. Can you see? So just calmly and carefully watch the video. You will understand and you will love the top. This top is good for breeze, to collect breeze outside, to go for beach, or So my beautiful people, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, so anytime I upload a new video, you'll get notified. And don't forget to drop your comment, share and like. for more beautiful content, fashion styles I'll be dropping. Thank you for watching. Bye.